Today we're making beef chili. So let's get started. For our beef chili, we are going to need roughly a 3 to 4 pound beef roast cut up into 1-inch pieces, a medium diced bell pepper, about 1.5 cups of diced green peppers. We're going to need some minced garlic, some salt, and we're going to need some chili powder, some dried oregano, some crushed red peppers, some thyme, and optionally for some extra heat we have cayenne. And we're also going to need salt. We're going to need some oil, some beef stock, a large can of whole tomatoes, a can of tomato paste, some dark and light canned kidney beans. So now that we've got everything together, let's get some oil in a pot and get started. So be right back. All right, we've got 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a heavy Dutch oven or large skillet. So we are going to add in our beef roast. And as always, whenever you're working with raw meat, be sure to wash and clean up your hands. And we're going to add in our bell peppers, our onions, and our minced garlic. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook this till the meat is evenly browned, which will be about 5 to 10 minutes or so. So we're going to get this all cooked up and evenly browned, and we'll be right back. Alright, so our beef is evenly browned, and so we are going to turn the heat down a little bit. And to this we are going to add in our 1 large can of whole tomatoes, which I've given a rough chop to. We are then going to add 1 cup of beef broth, or beef stock, your call. We're going to add in our salt, our chili powder, our oregano, our thyme, and our red pepper flakes, and then our can of tomato paste. So we're going to give this a good mix. And also, you can substitute ground beef for the beef roast. I've done it both ways. Alright, so now that we've got this all mixed in, we're going to turn this down to a medium low. And then we are going to cover and cook for 1 to 2 hours till the beef is tender. So we'll be back in a little while. Alright, so this has been going for about an hour. So let's have a look and see where we're at. Alright, meat's almost done. We may have about another 30 minutes to go. And we're going to let this go another 30 minutes, and then 30 minutes to an hour. And then we will be back and check on it, and hopefully everything will be ready to go. So, see you in a little bit. Alright, so this has been going about another 30 minutes. We're going to check and see how tender everything is. Alright, all the meat appears to be nice and tender. Yeah, so we are going to now add in our can of dark red beans and light red beans. And let it stir. Then at this point, you can just we'll need to let it cook for another 20 minutes uncovered. I add an extra tablespoon of cayenne pepper to spice mine up a bit. This is optional, so you don't have to add in the cayenne if you don't want it really spicy. Alright, so we're going to let this go an additional 20 minutes uncovered, and then we're going to plate up. And so we'll be right back. Alright, so our chili is done. We cooked it an additional 20 minutes for the beans and for it to thicken up. And so I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy.